Ever wondered why those adorable pugs seem to turn into chainsaws while sleeping? This snoring phenomenon isn't just amusing, it's due to their unique anatomy. With their short snouts and flat faces, pugs experience restricted airways, leading to the characteristic snorting and snoring. Their relaxed throat muscles create vibrations as they breathe, amplifying the sound. While it may keep you up at night, it's simply part of their charm. Embrace those noisy snores. They're just pugs living their best lives.